Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute birthday card. Perfect for kids. It's fun, colorful and really easy to make. First, you have to take a pastel sheet or cardstock. They're hard and firm, which makes them perfect for a card base. Here I have taken 34 by 24 cm. You can take it of your choice, bigger or smaller depending on your choice. Now fold the sheet in half neatly. Press it gently to make a nice crease. Now you need a drawing sheet to draw a cake, small cars and a traffic signal. You can choose any theme you like unicorns, animals, sports or anything that the birthday boy or girl loves. After finishing your drawing, paint them, color them and keep them aside to let them dry. Now comes the most special part. Adding the child's photo. Take a nice picture of the birthday boy or girl and cut it out carefully. Make sure to leave a small boundary around the picture. It gives really a nice look. Now take the cutouts and we need a black pointed marker to outline them. Give all the pictures a very good outline. It will give a neat and very beautiful look. After that, cut out the cake and the small decorations carefully. Here is a quick tip. Always leave a little white outline around the cutouts. It gives a nice 3D or pop-up look that makes the card more professional and fun. Now place all the small cutouts like cars, traffic signals, trees, clouds accordingly on the cake. Now as we have to paste them, I will suggest you to use double-sided tape instead of glue to give a raised effect. This way, the photo will stand out and look almost like a pop-up cutout. Now it's time to figure out where to place the cutouts and the child's picture. So here I have placed the child's photo on the left hand side corner and the cake's cutout on the right hand side corner. And of course, no birthday is complete without balloons. So take 2 or 3 circular cutouts in different sizes to make balloons. And you can use bright colors like red, pink or yellow or match them with your theme. Now paste everything with the help of double-sided tape to give a very nice look, 3D look. Now to attach the balloons, we need strings. So you can use thread, yarn or colorful craft string. Here I am using colorful craft string. So I have taken blue color, green color and yellow color. I am going to use it also for the bunter, to paste the bunters on the left hand side corner. So I've used 3 colors, blue, green and yellow. So measure it properly according to you how much you need, and then cut it and try to twist it on your fingers so it will give a very nice and natural look. To attach the balloons with the strings, you can use sellotape, and to paste the balloons again, you can use double-sided tape to give very nice and 3D look. Next, let's make the birthday cap. Cut out a small triangle shape from glitter paper or colored paper. Place it neatly on the top of the child's head so it looks like they are wearing a party hat. Here I have used party stickers. You can also use them. And to make the card even more cheerful, add a little bunting decorations across the top. Just cut small triangles from colorful paper, attach them to a piece of string and stick it across the corner of the card. It instantly gives a party feel. Again, here I have used some party stickers. You can also use them. They give a very neat and beautiful look. If you like to add tiny stars, confetti or sparkles around the card for some extra charm, go ahead and take a moment to adjust everything, making sure the balloons and cakes and photos are aligned and looking neat. On the inside of the card, write a short, sweet note. It could be something like happy birthday to a little star, or wishing you lots of love and laughter. Anything. You can also decorate the inside with the stars, balloons, stickers, or doodles to keep it playful. And that's it. Your personalized 3D birthday card is ready.